What if a school fed children radioactive oatmeal just to see what happens inside their bodies? So if you like this content, please subscribe. So in the 1940s and 50s, at the Fernald State School in Massachusetts, researchers conducted nutrition experiments on boys with developmental disabilities. They did this by adding radioactive isotopes, iron 59 and calcium 45, to their oatmeal. The objective was to study how the human body absorbs essential minerals, but the children and their parents weren't told the oatmeal was radioactive. So here's how it worked biologically. Iron 59 was absorbed through the small intestine and transported into the blood, bound to transferrin, eventually being incorporated into hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Calcium 45, on the other hand, follows a somewhat similar path, entering bones via osteoblasts and becoming part of the mineralized skeleton. The scientists monitored how quickly these isotopes were incorporated, essentially tracking red blood cell production and bone mineralization in real time. But this research comes at a terrifying cost. The radiation from these isotopes can damage bone marrow, disrupt cell division, and increase the risk of cancer. Yet the children were unwitting participants in these experiments. Even small doses could have long-term effects on growth and metabolism, and some of these boys were exposed repeatedly over weeks and months. Despite the clear and unethical risks, these studies did produce detailed data on how nutrients are absorbed, transported, and deposited in the human body. But the ethical price was enormous. Vulnerable children were treated as living test subjects, with no informed consent or ability to opt out. The Fernald radiation oatmeal experiment remains a chilling reminder that scientific curiosity without ethics can turn innocent lives into experimental material. These boys literally became tracers inside the human body, revealing the mechanisms of nutrient metabolism, but at a human cost that can never be justified.